Hi all, today I'm going to show you how you can customize a lehenga on by your own on low budget. So this lehenga I'm showing you today is inspired by Divyanka Tripathy style. We have made few changes and customized into our own style, but the basic design is Divyanka's lehenga that you're seeing here. The top of this lehenga is made with raw silk material. Nearly 2 meters will be enough for the top. We have made changes to the neck design than Divyanka's one here. These types of borders are available in market for variety of designs and price ranges. So this top stitch with front and both sides open up to hip. For the waist also we have added a different border. Since the top is slightly maroon color, the gold borders give rich look to it. You can see there are stones attached to the borders as well, which is more eye-catchy. We have 3/4 hand here with bead border in the end. So this is the back side of the top. You can see there is no attachment there. It's not dividing from the waist here. For this 3-ply skirt, we have had 2 meters of material, which is satin and net. We have add satin as inner and a good quality net material for the skirt. Also, we used a border for this also. This skirt is stitched as regular skirt pattern where we attach a elastic band on waist. We have 2 meter length and 1 meter width net material for the shawl. The net material is same as we used to stitch the skirt. It has the pearl border which we used for the top hand. Comparing to the store-bought lehenga, this is much cheaper. For this lehenga, it only cost me around 3,500 Sri Lankan rupees without stitching charges, although we used all good quality materials too. Hope you liked the video. Comment below your opinions and don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Bye.